Multiplication with the golden beads is very similar to addition. We combine to get a final product. We have the child build 1,232 3 times, and we're going to combine them to get a product. We have 3,696. What if we had an exchange, though? This was a static multiplication equation. What if we had a dynamic where we had more than 9 in a category and we needed to regroup? Let's say that instead of 3 tens, we have 4 tens. We have 1,242 times 3. This means that we will have an exchange in the tens place. This is a dynamic multiplication equation. We combine as usual, beginning in the units. And now when we get to our tens, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 10 can't stay loose. We must exchange for 100